The Blue Morpho butterfly is one of the most stunning and recognizable butterflies in the world, mainly because of its brilliant, shimmering blue wings. What makes this blue color so special is that it isn't produced by pigments, but by structural coloration. The scales on the morpho's wings are arranged in microscopic layers that reflect and scatter light in such a way that only blue wavelengths reach our eyes. This means that when light hits the wings at different angles, the blue color appears to flash and change intensity, giving the butterfly an almost magical glow as it flutters through the rainforest. The underside of its wings, however, is a dull brown color, helping it blend in with its surroundings when its wings are closed, a perfect example of nature's balance between beauty and camouflage. The Blue Morpho butterfly is native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, particularly in countries like Brazil, Costa Rica, and Peru. It spends much of its life in the forest understory but can also be seen gliding near rivers and sunlight gaps in the canopy. Its large wingspan, often reaching up to 15 centimeters, makes it one of the biggest butterflies in the world. Despite its eye-catching color, the morpho is not easy to catch or observe for long. It's fast, elusive, and well protected by its camouflage when it rests. Beyond its beauty, the blue morpho plays an important role in the ecosystem. As a caterpillar, it feeds on leaves and contributes to plant pruning, while as an adult butterfly, it helps with pollination. It also serves as food for birds, frogs, and other predators, forming part of the delicate rainforest food web. In many cultures, this butterfly symbolizes transformation, hope, and the soul, thanks to its metamorphosis and radiant blue wings. Its iridescence has even inspired scientific research and technology. For example, studies of the morpho's wing structure have influenced new developments in anti-counterfeiting technology, sensors, and color-changing materials. The life cycle of the Blue Morpho butterfly is as fascinating as its brilliant color. Like all butterflies, it undergoes complete metamorphosis, passing through four distinct stages: egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. The female lays her pale green eggs on the underside of leaves, usually of leguminous plants. When the eggs hatch, the caterpillars emerge with reddish-brown bodies covered in tiny hairs, which help deter predators. These caterpillars feed mainly at night to avoid detection, munching on the leaves of various tropical plants. When threatened, they can release a strong, unpleasant odor to discourage attackers. After several weeks of feeding and growing, the caterpillar enters the pupal stage, forming a chrysalis that looks like a leaf or piece of bark, blending seamlessly into its environment. Inside the chrysalis, a remarkable transformation takes place. The caterpillar's tissues break down and reorganize into the adult butterfly. After about 2 weeks, the stunning blue morpho emerges, drying its wings in the sunlight before taking its first flight. As adults, blue morphos live for about 115 days, during which their main focus is on feeding and reproduction. Behaviorally, the Blue Morpho butterfly is both shy and striking. Males are especially territorial and can often be seen gliding through beams of sunlight, flashing their bright blue wings to warn off rivals or attract females. They use their dazzling color not only for display but also as a clever defense mechanism. When flying, the rapid flashes of blue and brown confuse predators, making it difficult for them to track the butterfly's movement. When it lands, it folds its wings to show only the brown, eye-spotted undersides, perfectly camouflaging it against tree bark or leaves. Blue morphos don't feed on nectar like many other butterflies. Instead, they are attracted to rotting fruit, tree sap, fungi, and even decomposing animals. This provides them with the nutrients and minerals they need to survive. Their sense of smell is highly developed, thanks to sensors on their antennae and legs, which help them detect food from long distances. Altogether, the Blue Morpho butterfly is not just a symbol of beauty, it's a masterpiece of adaptation, survival, and natural engineering that continues to captivate both scientists and nature lovers around the world. One of the most fascinating things about the Blue Morpho butterfly is how it sees the world. While humans have 3 types of color receptors in their eyes, blue morphos are believed to have 4 or even 5, allowing them to perceive ultraviolet light and a much wider range of colors than we can. This extraordinary vision helps them identify mates, detect predators, and navigate their complex rainforest environment. It's possible that their bright blue wings are not only beautiful to us but communicate even more intricate visual signals to other morphos that human eyes simply can't see. Another remarkable fact is how fragile yet resilient the blue morpho's wings are. The iridescent scales that produce its color are incredibly delicate. Brushing them can dull the butterfly's shine. However, the morpho's wings are built for strength despite their lightness. They have a complex structure of veins that allows for efficient gliding and sudden bursts of speed. The butterfly can dart through dense foliage and even escape birds mid-flight with quick, unpredictable movements. This makes it one of the most skilled flyers among tropical butterflies. Blue morphos also have a unique defense strategy involving their eye spots. When the butterfly closes its wings, the underside reveals large, dark eye-like patterns. These spots mimic the eyes of larger animals and can startle or confuse predators such as lizards and birds. If attacked, a morpho may even play dead, dropping to the forest floor and lying still until the danger passes. Its brown camouflage works so effectively that it can be nearly impossible to spot once it's motionless on the ground or against a tree trunk. The blue morpho butterfly is highly sensitive to environmental changes, making it an important indicator species for rainforest health. Deforestation and habitat loss threaten its population because it relies on specific host plants and undisturbed forest conditions to reproduce successfully. Conservationists often monitor blue morphos to gauge the well-being of tropical ecosystems. In some regions, butterfly farms have been established to help conserve the species. These farms raise morphos in controlled environments and release many back into the wild while selling a few ethically for educational displays or art, reducing pressure on wild populations. The blue morpho has inspired art, fashion, and science for centuries. Indigenous people in South America once used its shimmering wings as decoration in ceremonial art, while modern designers have mimicked its structural color to create sustainable, pigment-free dyes. Scientists continue to study its wings for potential use in developing advanced optical technologies, such as anti-glare coatings, solar panels, and even data storage devices. This combination of natural beauty, biological brilliance, and scientific value makes the blue morpho butterfly a true jewel of the rainforest, one that continues to captivate both imagination and innovation. The blue morpho butterfly is not currently classified as endangered, but it is considered a species at risk due to ongoing habitat loss and environmental pressures. It thrives in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, particularly in countries like Brazil, Costa Rica, and Peru, regions that are being rapidly affected by deforestation. As trees are cut down for agriculture, logging, and urban development, the morpho loses vital breeding and feeding areas. Because its life cycle depends on specific host plants for its caterpillars, even a small change in vegetation can drastically reduce its chances of survival. Another growing threat comes from pollution and pesticide use. Many of the plants that blue morpho caterpillars depend on are exposed to chemical sprays, which can kill the larvae or contaminate their food sources. Climate change also poses a challenge. Rising temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns can alter the delicate balance of their rainforest habitat. Since blue morphos are highly sensitive to environmental conditions, even minor changes in humidity or temperature can affect their breeding success and lifespan. Butterfly farms in Central and South America play an important role in sustainable conservation. These farms breed blue morphos under controlled conditions and release many of them back into the wild. They also provide local communities with an alternative income source that depends on protecting the forest rather than destroying it. Ecotourism programs, such as butterfly gardens and rainforest reserve, have also raised awareness about the importance of preserving the blue morpho's natural habitat. While the blue morpho is not yet endangered, it serves as a powerful symbol of rainforest conservation. Its presence often indicates a healthy ecosystem, and its decline would signal serious environmental stress. Protecting the forests where the blue morpho lives not only ensures the survival of this dazzling butterfly but also helps preserve countless other species that share its home. In this way, the blue morpho stands as both a natural wonder and a gentle reminder of the urgent need to safeguard Earth's tropical rainforests. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.